Right, working on the CLK 500. It's time to do the rear trunk shocks. Got the new ones here, so I'm gonna take these apart. We'll just pop them off basically. So you just gotta get those skinny screwdriver, pull them in here, so you can pop it off. If this doesn't work, then I'm gonna use my I've got a pick I think that I have. That should work as well. Take those off. Alright, I got a pick, so I'm going to use the pick to get in here. Pop this out. Once you pull it out, and you should be able to pop this off. This one is blocking here, so I'm going to do the bottom. Pick. Get in there. Pop that off. Get your screwdriver. Comes off just like that. You do the same to the other side.